Hey guys, have another unboxing for you guys. This is the Fujifilm Finepix AV150. Just give you it came with this Fujifilm case. Okay, sorry about as you can see, the black color is not very clear and very nice now because of the lighting, and the white balance isn't very good. So sorry about the blurry, a little bit blurry in the black, in the black color. So this is a 14 megapixel camera, 3x optical zoom, 2.7-inch LCD, panorama mode, and HD movie. So this is basically the box, the serial number, silver color, and it supports Windows Vista, Windows 7, XP Home, XP Pro, and support Mac OS X 10.3.9 to 10.06. Yes, and it comes with the camera, 2x AA type alkaline battery, hand strap, USB cable, CD-ROM, and owner's manual included. This case is again included with it, but it's not shown on the box. So this is the 1-year warranty. By the way, I have not opened this before, and it's basically the warranty. The CD, I think, I'm not sure what's this. Warranty booklet, user guide. I think they are both in different language. Yes, this is from English, French, and this is different. In the box we have the camera, I'll show you that later. AA alkaline battery by Panasonic, USB cable, okay, this side to a normal USB, and the camera. So hold on, I'll see. And the hand strap. Nothing under the box. Not really a protector, just a shield to show you that it's new. On and off button, capture, start video, pause video, stop video. That's the front of the camera, 14 megapixel with a flash. This one I think is the red LED or something. The side, very cool looking. On the bottom is the screw for the stand, and this is the hook for the hand strap, the USB. Sorry about the out of focus thing. This is the USB port. W and T, I'm not sure what's that. I will look further into the manual. This is display, back also, the gallery, delete, timer, macro, flash. So very simple. I'm not going to power this up. Maybe in the other video I will do a review on this camera. Basically, it's very cool looking. And the test video will be again in another video, so watch out for that video. So yeah, pretty nice camera. So thanks for watching.